All right, kettlebell swings. So what we want to think about with kettlebell swings is you're going to have your kettlebell in front of you. You want to be about half a foot away. And then I also want to have my feet a little bit outside my hips, kind of like if I were to do a squat, all right? So whenever I have my feet just outside my hips, I'm going to try and keep my chest up, my back flat, and then I'm going to push my hips back. So I'm going to think of like I'm trying to shut a car door or something like that. I'm going to push my hips back. I'm going to keep the kettlebell high, and then I want to pop my hips, so straighten my legs, squeeze my glutes, and pop my hips and let that kettlebell fly up to right about eye level, because we're going to be doing Russian kettlebell swings today. And I want to keep my arms out in front of me. So whenever you do it, you want to think of hiking the football first, and then pop your hips. All right, so I'm pushing my hips back, and I'm squeezing my glutes and locking my legs out. My back is staying flat, and my chest is staying up. All right, so what it looks like from a front view. Here, same thing. So a couple things we want to avoid is coming up on our toes. So I want to stay back on my heels, really squeeze the glutes in order to get that kettlebell up there. Another thing is I don't want to squat down and then come up. So it's not a squat. We're going to come up here. I want to avoid doing this. All right. I just want to push my hips back and squeeze my glutes. So that's the kettlebell swing.